Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it was leaking steam through the back and it was making a huge mess inside. A lot of the pieces are rusted, some of the things panels are rusted through as well. You can see some of that through here. There was a lot of scale build up in this new one. Uh, there's some rust as you can see through here. So there's a couple of pieces that are rusty. Thankfully nothing, everything still works and we were able to seal those leaks coming out from the boiler by replacing the O-rings coming out of the boiler itself. The ones are here, the ones here. We also had to replace one of the hoses that is connected here. It was very stuck in there, so we had to raise the boiler and put it in there. And yeah, that's what we did. We also replaced these three-way valves that you see right here as well. As you can see, it's not looking good. Wasn't opening the way it's supposed to. So starting with one double shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Probably need to temper a bit harder just to get that perfect crema coming out of the machine, but as you can see through here, focus camera, there you go. It's a nice shot of espresso, really good crema, excellent quantity as well, as we got 2 ounces, as you can see right there, working excellent. Water comes through the roof head perfectly fine. It has 8 seconds of pre-infusion, so that is pre-infused the shot, and now it pushes all the water, and as you can see it's a nice steady stream, nice shower coming out through the machine. Working excellent. Hot water, as you can see through here, nice and steady, excellent temperature, and of course steam working the way it should. Nice pressure coming up from the one. So there you have it, Breville espresso machine working once again and not leaking steam. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.